Hello all. In my last video I made one of my RA tongs, this one here, and I made a mistake. I didn't leave enough material on the cheeks of the slot. As you can see here, I welded 2 beads on each side, and that strengthens it enough. This is Robert Whitney's tong, the one he won during my last giveaway. In this video, I'm going to revisit this slip joint style tong and make 2 changes. These are my 14mm blanks for the tong. In the previous video, in order to create the slotted area, I first used this small round punch and then drifted round, and that was a small mistake. In the past, I always used this small slitter that I custom made for the job. My goal with these slitters is to not remove any material at all, such is the case with the round punch, which removes a small slug. And the other thing that I got away from that will certainly strengthen this tong is to first upset the area where the slot's going to be. One lesson I'd like to convey in this video is don't be afraid to admit mistakes, no matter your skill level. And that goes for other areas of life as well. It's so much easier to move on and grow. Just that one simple heat, and I've taken my 14mm stock to about 16mm in that area. And you can see I've reduced the length by about 1/2 inch. Those 2 extra millimeter, coupled with not removing any material, will make a huge difference. I need to give a shout out to Martin Sandbrook for his most recent very generous donation. And also need to give a shout out to Cockatoo Birdman Bill for becoming my latest Patreon supporter. Boy, what a name. Thanks a lot, fellas, and I really do love that name. I made this tool a while back, and it's only mild steel, as you can tell by how badly it's mushroomed. However, the business end is held up really well. So I just want to say, don't overlook mild steel for certain tooling. You just want to go nice and easy and make sure you're centered as much as possible. In blacksmithing, leather gloves can always come in handy, but I always prefer to not use a glove if possible. As you can tell, this copper plate has seen a lot of cuts. This tool is made from H13 and it has a fine edge, but it holds up pretty well. And when it needs redressing, it's very simple to do. Rather than use a thinner piece of flat stock, my idea was to use round and remove that material, and then this way I could still have a decent amount of heft on the striking end. This piece of 5/8 inch round here is mild steel and is my final drift. It's much thicker on the cheeks, and this is exactly what I'll need to successfully complete this tong. So fast forwarding ahead, and here's the completed rivetless adjustable tong, as it should be. By the way, this tong is for Dan Safford, a repeat customer and Patreon supporter. It's much thicker and stouter in the spots that it needs to be. Since I like this tong style so much, I should probably do a better job promoting it. So I've come up with a good slogan for GS Tongs, maybe for t-shirts and mugs. If you ain't got a pair, you best get a pair. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.